Hey guys, welcome back to GEGEVlog. It's Gigi here. Today we're gonna be unboxing makeup. We're gonna be unboxing Il Makiage. It is a makeup brand. I've seen the ads all over social media. I saw a couple of them. I wanted to test out 2 products and see if I could review it on a scale of 10. And then I'm gonna let you guys judge and you guys are gonna see, did it actually work? Did it? Hey guys, welcome back to GEGEVlog. It's Gigi here. Today we're gonna be unboxing makeup. Basically, just wanna introduce you guys to my beauty corner. This is something I built when I moved into the house. Everything was bought on Amazon and all of this costs under $500 to $400. I wanna say somewhere around there. Making this happen was a dream for me. I wanted a space where I feel like a girly girl, where I can just do anything, try different makeup, and just get ready for bed before I go to bed. And this is honestly my favorite space in the house because I start my day here and I end my day here. So today we're gonna be unboxing Il Makiage. It is a makeup brand. I've seen the ads all over social media. I saw a couple of them. I wanted to test out 2 products and see if I could review it on a scale of 10. And then I'm gonna let you guys judge and you guys are gonna see, did it actually work? Did it? So I'm super excited to do this for you guys today. I hope this video really helps some of you who are trying to get these products and don't know if you want to spend that much money on a product. Whether it works or not, you can watch this video and you can kind of base your opinion off of that. Because I'm not getting paid by this company. This is literally just me being curious, seeing if it actually is gonna work on me. So first off, we are going to try the Il Makiage Skin Power Redo. So let's just open it. I just love it when companies put in more effort into the packaging because it's all about the, the way something is presented to you. Okay, so we're gonna take out the product. I love the way that this is magnetic. Basically, when you put it on, you have to like smear it across your forehead or wherever the wrinkle is. Super cute, love the packaging. Very comfortable, you won't lose this, it's magnetic, so it just attaches and it stays on top. The first step is removing my makeup on my forehead. My problem area is the forehead. I tend to express myself a lot, and so I raise my eyebrows. These lines kind of just start to form over time because I'm just always constantly being super expressive with my face. So basically, what I want to try today is remove the makeup off my forehead and let's just try the lines on my forehead because they're the ones that are the most visible lines on my face, and let's see how much this is actually going to do. The ad showed me a lot. It really looked like it blurred a lot of the lines, so I'm very curious how this is going to work out. Let's go ahead and dive in. I'm super excited to try this out. First off, I'm going to use my makeup remover. I use the Neutrogena little makeup remover cleansing towelettes. This is usually when I'm on the go. Most of the time, whenever I'm doing my night routine, I end up using a Dermatologica cleanser. That's what my esthetician recommended, so that's what I end up using. But this is whenever I'm on the go, when I'm traveling. I'm gonna grab my little thing that's gonna hold my hair. Most of you guys know this is gonna keep my hair back. And then we're gonna take the makeup remover towelette and I'm just gonna swipe across my forehead so I remove any makeup that's there. We want to show how it truly is. As you guys can see, there's the makeup on here. We're going to move into trying out the actual product. Looks like the product color is peach. I love that peachy color, it's super cute. And then the next step is taking the spatula and taking out a little bit, just about like on the edge right there. So we put it over, so this is one of my most fine lines on my forehead. It's pretty deep. So what we're gonna do is put it over. So as you can see, this is the half of the forehead that has not been touched. If I'm giving you my opinion right now, does it blur? Yes, it blurs. This side of the forehead is definitely shinier than the other. If I'm on a shoot and I don't want my skin to be shiny, this is what I would add onto my skin. This really helps with the shine for sure. Now let's have a look. What if I put some makeup over it? Will it do the trick then? I don't know, let's check. I usually use powder for my face. Take some powder and kind of put the powder over my forehead and see if it will hide the wrinkles with this cream underneath. I don't know if that's how you do it. I mean, I'm gonna say 100% no shine. This product definitely takes away the shine, which is great. I think it would also help pores, like large pores, minimize them. I definitely think it would help in that case, but now I'm trying if I can get rid of the wrinkles. Okay, so that definitely, I can see a difference. I can definitely see a difference. So normally I see more of a wrinkle over there, more of a fine line, but with the powder on top of that product, it definitely is hiding the wrinkle there. So I wanna say that if you're using makeup on top of it, definitely works. If you're using just it by itself, I don't know if it's gonna make a difference. The next product is supposed to enlarge your lips and make them more plump. It's a lip plumper. Let's start this off with, I've never used lip plumpers. I don't know what they feel like. I hear that it's kind of like a tingling kind of sensation, but I've never actually used one of these. And I'm excited to try it out. I'm excited to see if it's gonna work on my lips. As you can tell, my lips are not large, so the top lip is definitely pretty thin, and then the bottom lip is a little bit bigger, but it's not like huge. So let's see. I'm gonna apply it to half my lips, so top and bottom, and see how that works. First, we're going to remove any lip gloss or anything that I applied. Okay, and then we're gonna dive right in. I'm nervous, I've never actually tried it. I don't wanna walk around with a huge lip if that happens, but okay. First off, smells nice. Okay, half the lip. So half. And half. I'm definitely feeling the mint. It's fresh. It's got a little of a burn, but not like a bad burn. It's like a minty burn. I'm normally a fan of mint and peppermint. So the tingling sensation that I'm getting is kind of like, you know, when you get a sunburn and then you put your skin underneath like hot water or cold water and it kind of burns. Or like if you like cut your finger and it just kind of stings a little. It's kind of giving me like a stinging sensation. To be honest, I don't like that sensation. I am feeling my lips getting bigger though. They're definitely bigger. Yeah, they definitely went and got bigger here, but they do still look pretty natural. Like if you're looking for a very tiny plump, and you're okay with the sensation and the tingling and like a weird sensation, then like it feels like I ate something hot. That's basically the main feeling, is it feels like I ate something really spicy, really hot, and it's just giving me a burn on my lips because I touched it with my lips. But yeah, I don't think it gives you like a huge plump. I definitely see a little bit of it, just like a tiny bit though. Like I wouldn't say this has changed my life. So if you're looking to make your lips look a lot bigger, this is probably not the product you want. You probably want to get it done professionally. But if you're looking for like a non-surgical or a non-needle way of kind of enhancing your lips, I guess this could be one way of doing it. To be honest, I don't like the taste of it. So at first it tasted kind of like minty, and now it kind of tastes like medicine, and I don't like that taste. If you're looking for something that's going to just enhance your lips just a little bit, this is probably the product to go with. If you're looking for something that's going to drastically change your lip shape or anything like that, I would just do it professionally. I wasn't looking for anything that would change my lips a lot, but I've just never used a lip plumper, so I decided why not try it out and see how much it actually works on my lips. I mean, I'm seeing like a slight, very, very slight change. So I guess I can say this works. It doesn't look like the ad did, but I guess every person is different. It could work more on someone else than others. On me, it's just a little bit, like I see the change more upper here and upper here in those areas. It's just gotten a little bit, almost looks like a little bit swollen. Let's wrap this up. For the lip plumper, I would rate this, I mean, it didn't really do much for me. So I'd probably rate it like a 2 or 3 out of 10. And not a 0, because I do feel like it plumped my lips a little bit on the ends. The only thing is they kind of look like they're kind of swollen. Not a big fan of the lip plumper. However, I love the packaging. I love the presentation of it. It's got like a little magnet. I think they did an amazing job. I would definitely rate this product, the Skin Il Makiage, as like a 7-8 out of 10, because I do think it works to an extent. I don't think it removed like my fine lines, but it definitely hid them. It definitely did a pretty good job hiding them. I feel like I was just a little bit picky with it before I applied the makeup, but once I applied the foundation, the powder foundation, it really covered up everything. And I don't think it's the powder foundation. I think this basically smoothed it out and then took care of the pores, minimizing them, and then the powder foundation covered it, and it just looks a lot more smoother. I can still see the lines, but it's definitely a lot better, and I would definitely use this product on a daily basis. However, the lip plumper, I'm gonna give it a 2-3 out of 10. I don't really see myself using this. I feel like it just made me look a little more swollen. It's just, I didn't like the taste. I didn't like the sensation. To me, it was more like I just ate hot, spicy things. And my lips are on fire now. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, comment below if you have any questions or comments, and subscribe. Also, click that bell button if you haven't already so you can see all the new videos that I post every week. Thank you again so much, and I'll see you guys next time.